World War I, 1914–1918. World War I, WW1, also known as the Great War, was a global conflict that lasted from July 28, 1914, to November 11, 1918. It involved most of the world's major powers, divided into two opposing alliances, the Allied powers and the Central Powers. The war resulted in massive destruction, significant political changes, and laid the foundation for World War II. Causes of World War I. Militarism. European nations were in an arms race, increasing military strength and stockpiling weapons. Countries, especially Germany and Britain, built large navies and armies. Alliances. Two major alliances existed: Allied powers, France, Russia, Britain, later joined by the U, Italy, and others. Central powers, Germany, Austria-Hungary, Ottoman Empire, Bulgaria. These alliances meant that a local conflict could quickly turn into a world war. Imperialism. European powers competed for colonies and resources, leading to conflicts in Africa, Asia, and the Balkans. Nationalism. Strong nationalist movements in different regions, such as Serbia and Germany, created tensions. Many ethnic groups under Austria-Hungary and the Ottoman Empire wanted independence. Assassination of Archduke Franz Ferdinand. On June 28, 1914, Archduke Franz Ferdinand of Austria-Hungary was assassinated in Sarajevo by a Serbian nationalist, Gavrilo Princip. This event triggered Austria-Hungary to declare war on Serbia, leading to a chain reaction of war declarations. Major events of World War I. The war begins. 1914, Austria-Hungary declared war on Serbia on July 28, 1914. Germany declared war on Russia, August 1, and France, August 3. Britain declared war on Germany, August 4, after Germany invaded Belgium. The Western Front, 1914–1918, the German Schlieffen Plan aimed for a quick victory by attacking France through Belgium but failed. Trench warfare dominated the Western Front, leading to stalemates. Major battles: Battle of the Marne, 1914, Battle of Verdun, 1916, Battle of the Somme, 1916. The Eastern Front, 1914–1917, Germany and Austria-Hungary fought against Russia. Russia suffered heavy losses but continued fighting until the Russian Revolution in 1917, leading to their withdrawal. The Ottoman Front and the Middle East. The Ottoman Empire joined the Central Powers in 1914. Major battles: Gallipoli Campaign, 1915–1916, Allied defeat, Arab Revolt, 1916–1918, led by T. Lawrence. The entry of the United States, 1917, the U. entered the war on April 6, 1917, after Germany resumed unrestricted submarine warfare and attempted to form an alliance with Mexico. Zimmerman telegram. American troops helped turn the tide in favor of the Allies. The Russian Revolution and Soviet exit, 1917, the Bolshevik Revolution overthrew the Russian monarchy. Russia signed the Treaty of Brest-Litovsk, 1918, with Germany, withdrawing from the war. End of the war, 1918, Germany launched a major offensive in early 1918 but was pushed back. The Allies launched counteroffensives, leading to German retreat. Armistice signed on November 11, 1918, ending fighting on the Western Front. Consequences of World War I. Human and economic loss estimated 20 million deaths, soldiers and civilians, and 21 million wounded. Europe faced massive economic devastation. Treaty of Versailles, 1919, Germany was forced to accept blame for the war. Germany had to pay heavy reparations and lost territories. The German military was severely restricted. Collapse of empires. Austro-Hungarian, Ottoman, German, and Russian empires collapsed. New countries like Poland, Czechoslovakia, and Yugoslavia were created. League of Nations established in 1920 to maintain peace, though it failed to prevent World War II. Seeds of World War II. The Treaty of Versailles created resentment in Germany. Economic hardship and political instability contributed to the rise of Adolf Hitler and the outbreak of World War II in 1939. 5. Technological and military innovations. Trench warfare led to long stalemates. New weapons, tanks, poison gas, airplanes, machine guns, submarines. Medical advances, development of blood transfusions and plastic surgery. Conclusion: World War I was one of the most devastating conflicts in history. It reshaped global politics, destroyed empires, and changed warfare forever. Though it was called the war to end all wars, it ultimately set the stage for World War II.